Good day. Introduction. SQL Alchemy is useful in Flask applications because it provides an efficient and flexible ORM, object relational mapper that simplifies database interactions, allowing developers to work with databases using Python objects instead of raw SQL inquiries, while also supporting advanced features like connection pooling, migration, and database abstraction. So, sunod is mag-install tayo Flask and Flask SQL me sa terminal. So, pip install Flask. Pip install Flask SQL Alchemy. Then pip install Next is mag-set up ta sa database configuration. So, i-import sa tanan libraries sa Flask SQL Alchemy. Flask SQL Alchemy import from SQL Alchemy import integer string and from SQL Alchemy ORM import class base map and map. Then create an object as a class. Then gawin ang database configuration at secret key. Secret 1 to 3. Our secret app that config SQL Alchemy database then ang gamitan na database SQLite. The name sa ato ang database is sample.db. Then SQL Alchemy then create a class of base data so tira na itong server. So after na ma-set up ang database configuration ay so kulang pa di ay db model space db in so after ma-configure tanan ang database, so sunod is mag-create ta og table na define ang model class ang db.model, and then I will explain the column data types and constraints like map and map column. So create ta og table, so class names, name db.l, then id in column primary key is equals to true, after increment equals to true, then unique is equals to true, and then we create another attribute which is our first name, data type is string, then last name. So ang map and map column in SQL Alchemy are used to define column data types and constraints in ORM models, where map specifies the type hint for an attribute and map column defines the actual database column with its data type, integer, string, boolean, and constraints such as primary key, nullable, unique to enforce rules on the stored data. So after mag-create ang table, so tayo na to o create ang database. So i-run sa natin. So wala error, so para mag-create sa database, follow ang method from app import app with app.app text, click enter, then click tab, then type na to db.create all, click enter. So after is i-check na to ang folder which is kanina sa instance, then check na to if na-create ba ang table with its attributes. So makita na to, nakita ang ID, first name, and last name. So mga to, thank you and God bless.